Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, makeup tutorial. It's my first makeup tutorial, so bear with me, don't judge me too much. I think I'm good at makeup, so I just want to try it and see how it goes. And if you want me to do more makeup tutorials, just like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see more on my channel. And yeah, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Spotify. Everything will be in the description box below. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna be using these two mirrors to look at myself. So there's a purple one and a silver one. And then this is my makeup bag. I'm actually gonna get like an actual makeup bag, like a box from Amazon or something, but don't have money for that right now, so I'm using this from Victoria's Secret. So let's get started. I'm going for a summer look, so I'm probably gonna use like red, gold, those kind of colors. So yeah. So right now I'll start off with this MAC powder, and I'm in the color NW46. So that's the color. So I'm gonna do that. Apply it. And open it. I'm using this e.l.f. brush. So right now I'm applying my powder in circular motion. I like the fact that it has a mirror so you can look at yourself while applying the powder. I'm using this BH Cosmetic brush set that I got like a couple years ago. I love it. And it comes with all these brushes. So I don't need to buy more makeup brushes. My brow, I'm gonna use this spoolie thing, this brush. No, spoolie, whatever it's called. I actually went to get my brows done like a couple weeks ago for my birthday. I got this pencil from a beauty supply store, a beauty store in Cameroon when I went last year with my family. So I'm using that. It's a really good one. So this is for my brows. So I'm gonna use the color in the middle. And it's concealer. So I'm using this color right here. I'm going in with that. I'm sure to get more of this because it's almost done. But I'm going in with that. She did a makeup tutorial before, but I lost it. The footage got lost and it doesn't work anymore when I try to open it. So now I have to redo another one, but I'll take my time. My Fenty Beauty foundation I like to put on my eye, and I'm in the color 440. I like to put this, no one does this, I'm not the only one who does this, but I feel like it makes the brow more defined instead of just using your concealer. I usually have the LA concealer, but I don't know where to put it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take brush. This brush right here, this fluffy brush, and blend. Put it on my eye too. So now I'm gonna apply my LA Girl concealer, and this is in the color Espresso. So I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. Palettes. I'm gonna use the Morphe palette. I like the colors. And this is in the, doesn't say the shade, it's just NC, 9C I mean. So I'm probably gonna use that. And then I'm gonna use the Tarlet palette in blue. I'm gonna use Smarty Pants. So I'll show you the shade. This one, Smarty Pants. You see it right here. And this is the palette I'm using. Okay. So I'm gonna apply it on my eye. This brush, and I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. Go in with Stone Fox. Stone Fox is just this color. This is the chocolate diamond right here. I'm gonna put it on top. So I'm going in with Fooled Gold. This one. I actually like this Morphe palette. It's really pigmented. I'm not just saying that because a lot of people say that, but I like the color. Rock out the orange color on top there. I don't think I'm gonna put purple. That's my favorite color. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna put eyeliner. So I'm concealing with my LA Girl in the color Espresso. I'm using this orange concealer, and I'm using the color Orange Corrector. It helps a lot. Corrects your acne and everything. Put some here. I feel like these tribal marks. It helps. Okay. And now I'm gonna blend. I like using the circular elf brush because I feel like it blends better than the beauty blender. I like the beauty blender, don't get me wrong. I know people who like using the beauty blender to attack me. Hey, why are you saying that? But that's just my opinion. I like this brush a lot. Now I'm gonna bake. Hi guys, sorry my battery died on my camera, so I'm using my phone. I'm almost done, I promise. And I'll fix my hair later. Kind of looks cakey right now, but I'll fix that too. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna be applying the Capital D liner. Wannabe, I love this color, and I'm gonna be putting this color, this pinky color. So, hey guys, I did my liner, I put my lipstick, I did all of that. So the lipstick I used, so I used this lipstick and it's called Wannabe, and then I used this liner for my eyelid from Kat Von D. I did a separate video on my phone. And for my lips, I use this pink lipstick from, yeah, so now I'm just gonna put, and I put mascara, and then the mascara I use were the Big Shot, the Essence, and the Rocket by Maybelline. This is from Essence, Maybelline, and Maybelline. So that's what I did. Now I'm gonna put my setting spray. So it's not cakey. I love putting this, oh my gosh. Okay, stop. And yeah. So now I'm gonna comb my hair because it's kind of messy. Just gonna comb it straight. Oops. So yeah, so I'm basically done. This is my makeup look. Let me show you closer. Sorry for the pause in the video because my battery died and I had to charge it, so now it's charged. And I filmed the second part of me putting the liner on my phone. Now my phone is full, so I came back to this. So it's just like this. It's like no one wants me to do a makeup tutorial, but I'll post this and edit it and make sure that it's good. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like my makeup, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So bye, thank you for watching. Merci pour regarder. So j'espère que vous allez subscribe to ma chaîne. Et c'est Marvelous Manuela. My IG is Marvelous Manuela. My Facebook is Manuela P. Fankem. My Twitter is Manuela Quality 3. My Snapchat is Manuela FS3. So yeah, follow me on my Facebook page too because I post blogs there of me doing stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I won't keep this long anymore, so like, comment, subscribe, and please click the bell to notify to be notified when I post videos. So please click that bell. And yeah, bye, thank you.